Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a new page on your Squarespace website. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am in the website editor for one of my sites, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a page to this. Now, this site, it has been freshly made. I literally made it like 5 minutes ago. It has no additional content other than the actual template that I've selected. Now, to add a new page, as you can see, you have this menu to the left over here, and you'll automatically be on a website whenever you enter your editor. Now, what you're going to do here is go into Pages. This is going to show you the Pages menu, and here you have two sections named Main Navigation and Not Linked. As you can see, the home page is currently not linked, which means it doesn't appear on this menu at the top of my site. However, About and All Prints have been added, and then that is pretty much it. Now, to add a new page, you literally just need to click one of these pluses. It doesn't matter where you click, just click on that, and then you can add a page of whatever you want. I'll add a blank one just as an example for this tutorial, and I'm going to name it Test 1 just as an example. Now, if I click somewhere else, as you can see, it has created a new page, but it still isn't on this menu at the top. Now, if we want to fix it and add it to the top menu so that it is available for navigation, you can very easily just click on it and drag it under the main navigation tab, and when it loads up again, as you can see, it has been added as an option on the top menu, and that is basically what you need to do. Now, you can do this with other pages as well. For example, if I go to drag the home page up, it'll be added here, and if I drag All Prints and About to the bottom, they will be gone from this menu. And that is basically how you create and manipulate pages on Squarespace. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.